Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to understand the clock pulses. How we can use the clock pulses in the INVT PLC. We will open our auto station software and here we will take the clock pulses. Just only type LD SM12 and click enter. And next we will take the one function INC D10 for an example, but here this INC, here we have to be take one rising edge because of if we not take this rising edge, it will be too many pulses schemes to this INC command D10 data register, after cannot count something. And this program we will be download into the PLC. Click enter. And what's the purpose of this clock pulses and why we use this clock pulses in the PLC? You can see this is the special bit of the PLC SM12, and you can see this is continue giving the pulses, and here is you can see increment single pulse any 1 second at the D10. And where can we find this also in the software? Just click it on this one and press the F1, and after you will find the command. Here you can see no contact instruction, M application instance, and here this is no contact instruction. In the search bar we can type this one, time CLOCK clock PLSC LSC and click enter. Real time clock error flag, list topics, contents, or just only you can type if here SM12. After you will be get directly here you can see clock running bit. There is the different names into the different softwares, and in the INVT PLC that clock pulses name, if you like to be find this clock pulses, you have to be type the clock running bits. This is the basically name of the clock pulses. Click it on this one, and after you can see this is the chart of the special clock pulses in the. Also here is a model, this is the readable, and here is a read and SM16 is the read and write, both can be used. And here is the models IVC1, IVC2H, IVC1L. We are using the IVC1L, so this is all of we can use. SM10 is what he says 10 milliseconds clock pulses, and this is SM11 is 100 milliseconds clock pulses, and SM12 is the 1 second clock pulses, SM13 is 1 minute clock pulses, SM14 is 1 hour clock pulses, and SM15 is oscillation bit of scanning cycle pulses, and SM16 is enable flag bit of high speed loop counters. This you can see the description, and after you can apply in the program. And this is single clock pulses, also you can use for the long timer. If you like to be create by the clock pulses, you can create. How can create? Let's start. We will make this online edit after AC to design an example. This we are using the clock pulses SM12 and increment uses at the D10. So what we will do, we will take it here LDSM0, which is continue on bit is the PLC, and next we will use the compare command. when LD greater than 60 or 50, you can 59 type or 60 type, no problem, because of 60 pulses are the sim 60 seconds after have a creation 1 minute. After D10 we will be right and click enter, and next we will use move command D10 when equal with 60 and we can here type the move 0 when our D10 is equal with 60. Now what we do, we make this one look like yani when 60 seconds will be completed, after our increment command will be reset. Just first we will download this into the PLC and let's test this part. And greater than 60 when D10 and D10 is greater than this command, we will make mistake where we have to be write it here, sorry. When our D10 is greater than 60, our move command needs to be execute 0 into our data register D10. Now it will be working properly. Now you can see as this 60 seconds will be completed, this command move function will be 0 moves into the D10. This will be continuously, this function will be repeated. And after, if you like to be making over this timer, so how can do LD SM0, and next we will take the greater than LD greater than D10 59 for an example 59. So we will make the increment INC again, yani INC D20, we will make it the increment at the D20 increment, make it the D20, and here we can make one override, and next we will take here, first we will take this rising edge, and here again type INC D30. INC D30. Yeah, no, sorry, not we will use this one. We will use the move command also here. When move 1 into the D30. But if we make the move 1, that's also not okay. We have to make the increment also, because of when this is giving the signals, we have to be make the increment INC, we have to be use INC D30, and this we will be download. If we not download this one, it will be not makes the increment. Now for an example, this is we will make the 59 when this 59 completed greater than 59 D10. After here is a one increment coming. For an example, we will give the dummy value it here. For an example 55 I will give and click enter, click OK, and after we will be see this increment will come or not come. 59 60, you can see here is a one increment ready. Again we will be check this one dummy value, we will give the 55 because of video will be go lengthy, 56 57 58 59, and you can see here is the 2. What's the meaning of this increment? Means this 60 seconds when completed, this is our D10 will be reset, and again 60 seconds will be started. And when this 60 seconds will be completed, after we will be count one increment at the D30, means 1 minute. Now here is running our minutes, and we like to, if for an example minutes into hours, so we can decide it here. LDSM0 when greater than LD greater than or equal. If you like to be used, can be used. If no, you like to use, that's depend on your logic. LD greater than or equal when D30 D40 and click enter, and here we will take one output, for an example Y0, and here we will be decide, for an example write D30 40 D40 we will be type, for example 4, and click enter. When D30 is equal or greater than 4, means how much minutes? We can see 60 by 4, 60 120, and 120 means 240 minutes. And if you like to be make it 1 hour, how much value you have to be type when this is completed 120, after your 1 hour will be completed, and you have to be set the time it here, and after this time will be execute your Y0. Can see after 5 seconds after our output will be on. Sorry, we not download this program. If we not download, it will be not work. You can see now when downloaded after, because we are doing the online edit mode. Now you can see our Y0 is on as, and if you increase this time, for an example you type it here, for an example 5, so what means this is 300 means calculate this time, 4 increments, how much? 240 minutes. And 1 hour if you need, here is the 60, 53, 54, 55, and after you can see this is, as this 5 will be completed, your output will be on, right? So same this way, if you like to make it in the hours long timer, you can create by the help of this increment command. Oh sorry, this is SM12 clock pulse. So hope guys you will be understand about this SM12. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.